What up, Prestige family? This is Alex from Prestige Window Tinting. Just wanted to show you this 2017 Range Rover Sport. We just finished the window tinting on this vehicle. So we did the 5% on the two front windows. I know it looks lighter, but I mean, all the light is coming through the windshield. Plus the vehicle has the white interior, so it makes it look lighter than what it is. But when the customer brings the vehicle outside, it's gonna look a little darker than that. But yeah, this is the 5% on the two front windows, and then we did the 5% over the privacy glass on the back windows and the back glass. So you can see it's a lot of the privacy in here, but you can't see nothing in it. Same with the rear windows. You still can see a little bit on the front windows, but I mean, like I said, it is because of the light coming through the windshield. So we did the XR Plus, which is a product from Xpel. This film gives you about 98% of the infrared reduction, but it'll give you a really good visibility from inside of the vehicle. So we did a 5%, two front windows, 5% on all the back windows. Let me show you from here. You can see, you still can see outside pretty clear. That's the way it looks in the back. This film gives you 98% of the infrared reduction, so it'll make a huge difference in the summertime. Let us know what you think. Call us 832-208-4196. Check out our website, prestigeautotinting.com, and then you can see all the information there on our website. You can see all the quality of our work. No gaps around it. Looks like a factory glass. All right, we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.